guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm so excited about this green eye look. I created this look using Morphe X Jeffree Star palette, and if you're interested how I got this look, then keep on watching. So my eye are already primed with concealer, and now I'm taking a color Boss Angeles as a base, and I'm gonna put that on my crease and blend it all over my crease. Now I'm taking Wake and Bake color, and I'm gonna put that on my crease as well, and blending it around my crease and also the outer side of my crease. Now I'm gonna take color Nade and I'm gonna put that on my outer corner of eye. This color is so bright and it's so beautiful. Now I'm taking a Drive Through, this dark green shimmery color, and I'm gonna put that on my inner corner of eye. Can you see it? It's freaking so beautiful. It just goes perfectly with this color. Now I'm just taking a little bit of Nade color and blending around so that it doesn't look harsh. Now I'm taking a little bit of Wake and Bake color and blending around my corner of eyes and outer side of my crease. Now I'm taking Nade color and just blending around my lower lash line. Taking Wake and Bake color and blending on the edges. It just gives you that nice yellowish or light green color, and also taking a little bit of Boss Angeles color to give that beautiful effect. Now I'm just taking Broom Broom color and I'm gonna put that on my outer part of my lower lash line just to give a little bit of a smoky effect. I'm gonna put a little bit of this color on my outer part of lid just to make it a little bit darker. Now I'm gonna put this Sephora Gel Eye Liner on my waterline. Now I'm just curling my eyelashes. As you can see, I do not have that much eyelashes. I think they just fall out when I put false eyelashes. And now I'm just putting a little bit custom rims on my inner corner. Now so I'm just gonna put some mascara, and I'm using Sephora Lashcraft Lenth+Volume mascara. So I just put the eyelashes on off camera. Eyelashes are their magic. They just change the look totally different. So I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that I can come up with more videos. Thank you so much guys for watching.